Janice. I am a technical ambassador with ICP Hub Kenya, and we are here for the Mega Hackathon 2024. This is a series of hackathons that happen every year. So ICP Hub collects a bunch of really good developers through hackathons all around the year, after which all the winners from all those hackathons come to compete in the Mega Hackathon. A normal hackathon gives you one day and you're supposed to come up with a project, come up with a solution, figure it out, create your pitch decks. Here they are here for 3 days. They have time, 3 days and 3 nights basically. They have time to code, come up with their solutions, write their pitch decks, come up with their business proposals and all that. And by the end of the HackerHouse, we are expecting them to have complete products. So the ratio is really interesting. We have a total of 36 developers, and they've been working here day and night to make magic happen.
My name is Joan Wendo. I am a front-end developer, currently doing a project called GainChain AI. I am the team lead of a team of 5 where we are working on GainChain AI. GainChain AI is an AI that helps developers develop blockchain websites by the click of a button. This helps grow blockchain to even those developers who maybe have not mastered a particular language. You get the variety to develop blockchain websites through any language that you have mastered by the help of AI.
My name is Geoffrey Ryan. I'm a computer science student and a team lead of a 5 group member. So we got a privilege to attend the ICP HackerHouse, and it's amazing. So about our project, we are now creating a ticketing platform system, a decentralized one. Our platforms leverages the ICP blockchain in order to create secure systems where users can buy, sell, resell their tickets.
My name is Janice Mogure, and I am currently in the amazing HackerHouse. This journey has been an incredible one. I've transitioned from Web 2 to Web 3 because of ICP and the limitless opportunities they gave us from participating in hackathons. And now we have our project that is called Zero. We're a team of 2 and I'm the team lead. And our idea is very simple. We are aiming at reducing food waste, especially in Africa, through the use of blockchain and AI. And we hope to scale it and make it amazing.
Hello, I'm Florence Maka, ICP ambassador at Kiriri Women's University of Science and Technology. I'm a UI UX design on dealing with projects, and the projects that I'm working with are Web3 blockchain project. And for this HackerHouse, we are dealing with a project called EgaTech that deals with agricultural technology, whereby the buyers have the right to choose and say the kind of amount they want the product to be sold.
So my experience at the HackerHouse has been a very amazing experience. From the moment I started the hackathon, it has been such an inspiring journey. I was a Web 2 developer, and coming to Web 3, I have managed to do a lot of networking. I have learned a lot, and I am really enjoying what I'm doing. So I have really enjoyed my stay at the HackerHouse, and I feel like this is one of the best decisions I have made this year to become a part of ICP.
One thing about the ICP HackerHouse, it's not like other traditional hackerhouses where it's about competition. ICP HackerHouse, it's about sharing and learning new ideas and learning how to fix errors in code, and we had a great time sharing ideas.